we are back again, and this time today we have Dr. Urvi Shah over here with us, and we've given our machine NMD electrical motor to her. She is using it, and there are a lot of requests coming in that apart from containing the aerosol, how is the speed and performance in comparison to a high-speed handpiece? So we are just going to do a quick test, and we are going to try to prepare a tooth or cut a tooth, and we are going to compare with a high-speed handpiece and 1:5 handpiece, and we are going to set the time. So let's see this who wins. So can we start? Yes. So the timer is on, the machine is on. So what was the time like, doctor?
22 seconds.
22 seconds, and
We've cut the tooth into half from buccal to lingual in less than 22 seconds.
okay. So now we have the NMD super torque handpiece, high torque handpiece. We've given the doctor the highest torque handpiece, the LED handpiece, and the timer is in place and the tooth is in place. So please continue, doctor. Which tooth
This
are you
tooth.
going to
Just
do it? This one. This one was done before, right? Okay. So the timer is on, and we are using the same burr, SF11. Stop the timer. So it's almost, what is the time, doctor?
53 seconds.
53 seconds, and this is the tooth which is done. So the test was for the speed, and easily 1:5 NMD 1:5 handpiece has won this race. And now we are gonna do the test for the strength. Hello friends, so we are back again, and this time the test is gonna be in the power and the strength between the LED high-speed handpiece and the NMD electrical motor. So doctor, please continue.
We're going to cut a piece of steel, which is the burr. So we'll test one with the aerotor and one with the electric motor.
Okay, let's begin the timer. There we go. So this is like a metal bridge or a crown, right? Just to give an example. The compressor starts blowing. It's almost 32 seconds. And the high speed handpiece is still struggling, huh? It's a super top handpiece. Almost there. One minute. There we go. And it's 1 minute and 38 seconds. So now we have the NMD electrical motor with the NMD electrical, the 1:5 red ring handpiece, fiber optic, and we have the same metal burr to test. Let's start the timer. Okay, the timer is started. And there you go, almost 35 seconds. Wow, so it's like a 1/4 of the time. So clearly, apart from being fast and high speed, high torque, it clearly exceeded the Aerotor performance. Thank you, doctor.